Hey guys, welcome back to today's video, or short. I don't know which one I'm going to post this as, but today I'm going to be doing or testing out a little something called, CMatrix, which is like a recreation of the Matrix raining code thing at the start of the Matrix movie, I think. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen it, but I was bored, so I decided to try get that on Windows. And yeah, that's pretty much today's video. So we're gonna go into command prompt, Windows R CMD. Right here, and so I should do WSL, which is like Windows subsystem for Linux, and then -- install, and then yeah, it's gonna do Ubuntu. I don't know, it doesn't give us a choice anyway, but yeah, I'll come back to this when it's finished. Alright, now it's installed. I'm gonna do sudo apt-update. Hold on, give me a second. I think it's like this. Yeah, there we go. So WSL, you have to put that first. And then, yeah, it's gonna start doing this. It's gonna start updating all the packages. So WSL, that classifies what program you're running it under. Sudo apt-update, which is sudo administrator apt something package terminal, I don't know. But it's like the app store for Linux, and then update, so it updates all this junk you can see there. And then we do WSL sudo apt -get install CMatrix, and then yeah, when you install it, it's gonna ask you to make one, and then yeah, that's it. Now it's installed. I already had it installed, so ignore that. Then you can just do WSL CMatrix, and yeah, look at that. To me, this just looks amazing. And also, one thing I discovered: Control minus, that shrinks the text, and Control plus increases the text, and you can hold it down so it like zooms out a ton, and you could just see all of it like so tiny and stuff. So I'll zoom in a bit, and yeah, there you have it. That's this. And I mean, yeah, you can do that, but I made it tons more cool. So I made a cmatrix.bat. I'm gonna right click it. I'm gonna edit in Notepad. So here's the code. So PowerShell, okay, so what this does, I mean, if you can look from there, yeah, it just makes it full screen, and then WSL CMatrix. So what it does, yeah, it's better if I do this. Full screens, then run CMatrix. So it sort of acts like a screensaver. And so if I want to leave, I can do F11 and close it, or just Alt F4. And also, yeah, I kind of had to get some help from ChatGPT because, well, firstly, I was installing WSL from the Microsoft Store, and that didn't work for some reason. And so now, I wanted to ask ChatGPT if there was a way to, if there was a way to get it to run as a screensaver. So now, what I wanted to do, I go here, I'll go, where is it? I'm just gonna do a little in private window, and so I'm gonna go to archive.org. Oh, hold up, wait, no. Wayback Machine, yes, thank you. Go to the Wayback Machine, www.bartdart.com. Don't ask the thing, it's an old site. Wait for it to load some snapshots of it, go to the year 2013, then scroll down to, let's say, this one, click on one of the snapshots, let it load, and then yeah, hard dart, freeware. So this guy, like in the Windows 7 days, he made a bunch of programs for Windows and RCW, CMD to WAV. Okay, I think he made an audio thing. But what we're looking for is something called Screen Launcher. Now, like here, Screen Launcher, what that does, it allows you to run a bat, a .cmd, a .exe instead of a screensaver. And the only thing is that you can't like delete the folder afterwards. And also, some people have trouble with this. You don't double click the screensaver when it downloads the zip. You don't double click the screensaver, you right click and click install. And you want to keep the folder, because if you remove that, then it removes the entry that you made for the application you're trying to run. So what I did, I installed that, I make it run the CMatrix.bat, and then like it's just much cooler than Mystify or SSText 3D, whatever Windows OS you're on. So